Hello, fellow Minecrafters. This is Minecraft Super Admin. I'm back with some more awesome scripts and tools that you can use to automate your Minecraft server. Today I will be going over this awesome, and I mean pure awesome, tool called BukkitGUI and how you can integrate my scripts with it to make it just an awesome solution. The only backdraw with this is that you can only run one server on a workstation, Minecraft server. Well, most people only run one, but people like me like to run about three. And that's where I just use the pure scripts that I have. But otherwise, if you want to be able to manage it through the GUI, BukkitGUI, which is totally awesome, and I'll show you a little bit of features of that, then you want to configure it like this. One server is all you're worried about. Okay, so let's get started. If you do like my scripts, please subscribe to my channel, and you can donate if you like. And I'll be making more and more videos. As you can see, I'm making them pretty often. Okay, so the capabilities of the scripts that I have and how it's going to work with BukkitGUI. Okay, the script, well actually BukkitGUI has an auto reboot within game. An op or an admin who has access to the /reload command is going to be able to restart the server within game. Okay. Next feature is scheduled notification of backups to players. That is using the BukkitGUI again. I will show you how that is done. Okay, auto backup. Okay, BukkitGUI has a function for auto backup, but I don't like using it because it only backs up to a single folder. I like making multiple backups, like 7 days worth. And I can go to whatever day I want and just roll back. So I'll show you how I use my script to do that. Okay, auto backup cleanup. My script will also clean up the backups which are 7 days or older, and it's configurable in the script if you want to back up more than 7 days, you can 14 or whatever you want. Okay, the next part is auto update to newest version of Bukkit. Or Spigot. This ensures that you have the newest version of Minecraft. Like right now it's 1.79, but Bukkit only is at 1.75. So that's why you would get this. Is very useful in my script. It will get the newest version, so people, players don't have to constantly roll their client back to an older version to connect to your server. They can use always the newest version of Minecraft to connect to your server. Okay, and then I'll show you the no lag code, which is Java switches that you can put in to make your server extremely lag free. Okay, and I'll show you that as well in the BukkitGUI application. Okay, so let's get going. First thing you're going to get is the, let's see, you will need to get the wget utility from here, or you can just, download everything, the scripts and all the applications you need straight from my Dropbox link right here. Just click the BukkitGUI folder and copy that over into here. Okay. So I'll show you that this does work. Let's see. Paste and go. And you can see here BukkitGUI. So you go in here and you can see all the files. Just download all this. Okay. And then since it's on here, I'm just going to go here. Where is it? BukkitGUI. I'm going to copy this into my Minecraft folder right on the desktop, just for your educational purposes. Okay, and you can also download the BukkitGUI. You can download it from this link right here. Okay, and now we'll post that in the video description as well. Okay, so download the newest version of that. Let's see, let's configure the Windows firewall, unless you turn off your firewall like me, but I don't turn it off on my laptop. This is a different computer than you normally use. So you would go to control panel, usually it's category here, so you got to select large or small icons, go all the way down, you'll see right here Windows firewall, click that, click advanced settings, inbound rules, new rule, you want to do a port, okay, example specific ports. I'm going to do a number of things here. The default is 25565, and then I'm going to do, just for fun, 2059 through 2061. Okay, so you want to port forward those. This is for the server, and this is going to be for a plugin. Let's see, what is it called here? It is called JSON API. Okay, so that will let you remotely control with the BukkitGUI, what do you call it, application, which I want to show you, which is awesome. That means you can control your computer from a totally different computer somewhere else in the world, or you can give access to other people and they can have access to the console. Anyways, allow the connection, allow everything. Okay, this is, I'm just going to call it Minecraft. Okay, it's good. And it's right there. Close it. So now everything's forwarded through your Windows firewall. Now we need to configure the router that you have to allow port forwarding. So let's go to my router, which is right here. Okay, so what you do is you go to WAN, and then you click on virtual, what do you call it, virtual server port forwarding option. I don't know how yours is, but that's what you're looking for, is port forwarding on the WAN side. Okay, so here I'll show you where I configured it. You can see that Minecraft is right here, and you can just put a port right there, and the IP address, you can find that here, and you do IP config. Let me show you that. You scroll up. It should be that right here. Okay, so that's what you put in right here. Okay, mine goes to a different one because I'm already running a Minecraft server at my house. So, okay, that's all you do there, and then also you can create another thing to point for your JSON API application too. Okay, click apply and you're done. I'm not going to do that because I'll reboot my router. Okay, so that's done. Okay, next thing to do is we're going to configure the scripts. Okay, so let's go to our Minecraft folder, okay, that we made, and we copied all of our stuff in. So I'm going to just go through everything. Here's the anti-lag code that I was talking about. This is a one-liner. Let me do this. Where do I? Okay, you put this inside, right before the Java arguments in there, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so let's close that for now. Okay, first thing we're going to configure is auto backup script. Edit. This is what it looks like. Very simple. All you have to change is the source drive, so where you're copying it from. And in our instance here, this is C, okay? And then you don't have to do anything here. It's going to grab the, that means current directory. That's a variable for current directory. So it's going to grab that right there. So that's where it's copying all your files. And then 2, the destination. So basically you need to change these 4 things right here. Well, actually 3. That one. You don't mess with that one. Okay. So your destination drive. So I like to save the Dropbox because of nuclear disasters. And backups. And see how nice my backups are made with these scripts. Anyways, you copy that, and you put it in here. So you gotta have the drive letter correct, and then the actual path to where you're trying to just paste that in. Should be the same anyways. Nah, I don't want to save it because it's the same, but you should when you're doing yours. Okay. Update server, you don't have to mess with it, but I'm going to show you what that does. Okay, so what this is basically it will delete anything with the word craft bucket inside of this Minecraft folder where the script is located, and it'll download the newest version of Spigot and rename it to craftbucket.jar. Okay, and you'll see how that is all utilized. Okay, so that's it for that. And then I got to configure task scheduler. So the way you do that is go here, start, all programs, accessories, system tools, task scheduler. This is a brand new computer, so I totally rebuilt it. Okay. Okay. So what I want to do here is create a new task. I'm going to name it Minecraft. Okay. Run only when users logged on, yes. Run with highest privileges, yes. And you want it to run as Windows 7. Okay. Triggers, I want to do it log on, specific user, sure. Okay, enable it. Actions, what do you want it to do? Click new, to start a program, and we're going to point, let's see, it's on the desktop. It is the Minecraft folder, and this, you want to start the BukkitGUI, okay, at log on. And make sure you copy this over right here. You don't need this. Quotes, start in optional, paste it, okay? So it starts in the same folder where that's located. It's done. That's all you have to do. Very easy to configure compared to my scripts, but my scripts are it's just more versatile, I guess. You can do a lot more. You can run a lot more servers on one box. Okay, next thing, let's configure BukkitGUI. Alright, so to do that, we just double click on the BukkitGUI, and we'll go ahead and do its magic. Then, what it is, this is an awesome looking interface. First thing we're going to do is go to Super Start. Okay. Change this to Spigot. Okay. Change this to char 7, whatever it is. Go into the file. Oh, you know what? We don't have a file yet, so let's do that. So what I want you to do is click Update Server. What this will do is it will download the new Spigot. You can see it's happening here. And you'll rename it right here. And now we can go back to our Bukkit thing and point to it. Yeah, that's what we want to do. Now, see these custom arguments, that's where you put the no lag code. So let's do that. Let's go here, double click, just select all, copy, close this, put it custom arguments, bam. Okay. Set all this to 0. Because this will tell it how much RAM to use. Okay, so that's good. task manager. What you can do is import. I already made certain ones, so it'll be in the Minecraft. It's called tasks. Bam, everything's done. Okay, and I'll show you those later. Plugins. Yeah, this is awesome. You can see what's installed, what's not, and you can actually install the plugin, and then you can update it. So I'm going to install search. Okay. So that's, yeah, see that? It shows you every version, so we'll just go ahead and install it. Yeah, that's what you want to do. Install that, and okay. The reason I had this plugin folder in there is because inside here I made a config file already made. Open with WordPad. Okay. I've configured this so it will actually work if you're trying to use this program to connect to it from some other computer. Okay. That's what that was all about. So, anyways, too much information. That's all good. Backups, you can set up backups, but you don't need to because I have the scripts that will do it here. And I'll explain all these, okay, for you. Okay, so this is done. What we can do is go ahead and click Launch Server, and it will go ahead and launch it. So the first time, you see how it says here, please type yes, because you have the newest and greatest 1.79 server. I created a task here that will, during the update process, it will actually, right here, type in a yes. So just click that and click test, and then when you go back here, you can see that it actually typed it out, and then it's starting to load the server now. Very cool stuff. Alright, server starting up. This is normal. This is designed for 32-bit. For some reason you're using 32-bit, but it's inside the script. No worry about that. So now it's booting up, creating your spine. I have a cool, awesome server. Everything's working great. That's it. Wow, that's a lot of loading. Anyways, everything's generated. Console true, true, true. Blah blah blah. So now see, it's already been configured. That's it. So now for tasks, I'm going to minimize all this stuff. Okay, we started the server. So the first thing is, as you can see here, at 1:35 in the morning, this will send a command saying, hey, attention, the server is going to restart for backups in 5 minutes. Okay, and then this one's going to tell you 1 minute. Yep. This one's going to tell you 30 seconds. Please walk off. And then this one's going to tell you you got 10 seconds, and the server's going to come back in about 10 minutes. That's how long it's going to take. So once these run, these tasks on their own, and then this one's going to do. What this one does is it will actually, let's see what it does, so you can see. It will stop the server. Okay, that's all that one does. So let's do that. Let's test it. Now, you can see here on the bottom it said the server has been stopped. Okay, so the next thing it will do is it will run at 1:45 in the morning. It will execute the update server batch, which will update your stuff to the newest Bukkit. Okay, so let's do that. Test. There it goes. That's the script. update's done. Okay, the next thing it will do after 45. Oh, whoops. Actually, I'm really sorry. It will do the auto backup first. Okay, so let's test that after it stops the script. So that's at 42. See that? See this little -7? That tells you 7 days in the script. Actually, I haven't showed you that script. I gotta show it to you. Okay, so it backed up, and then at 142, it will do the update of the server. So we can test again. Okay, blah blah blah. It'll download the newest spigot. Okay, once it's done with that, and the next thing is it will wait 5 minutes and start the server after update. Okay, you see that? So it's updated. Now let's start it. Select the test. Okay, now you see server starting. Now if it asks you the yes thing again, then this one would take care of that. Okay. For some reason it didn't load properly. And now it'll wait about a minute, and then it'll say yes, and your server will come up. So, and that's it. It's that easy. So let's check your backups. Right. So right here, just created it. You see 12, 26, 12, 28, and you can see it's a copy of that whole folder, the Minecraft folder in there. And it will, and tomorrow it will make another one saying, /17 and delete the oldest one on top. And that's how that works. It's pretty sweet. So let me show you that backup script that I forgot to show you. How to back up. I did show it to you, but I didn't really show it to you. So I told you just have to change this. But here is where you can change how many days of backups you want. Okay? And that'll be it. So that portion's done. Now I want to show you how to connect to the server remotely. Okay, so I'm going to minimize that one. I'm going to start a second one here. Hopefully it'll let me. Okay, so you can go to server start, click server type, and choose remote. Snap. Host name is whatever you forwarded to. So here we're, I think, what was our IP here? 294. Okay. So 168. I'm sorry. I'm tired. Let me do that one. 68.2.94. Username admin. And I think it's change me as the default. Nothing here. And what you can do is just click launch. And hopefully it'll work. Does it show here? Oh, invalid API key. And go reload, and the actual server starts rebooting. And if you're on a remote computer somewhere, it works. This is really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this. Okay, this is really awesome plugin. So if you enjoyed my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like my video. If you have any questions, leave some comments, and maybe I can make you a custom script if there's a need that you have. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Minecraft Super Admin. Take care.